What do you think the Christmas story is? Can you tell us the Christmas story?
Jesus' birth. It's Jesus' birthday.
When Jesus was born.
Close.
What is it?
Okay, we'll give you a refresher.
Zero knowing what this even says. Do you know why we give gifts at Christmas? We give presents because it's Jesus' birthday.
His parents, Mary wasn't pregnant, she wasn't married, but an angel came and told her that she was going to have a baby named Jesus.
Mary and her husband, Joseph, were very happy. They had lots to do to get ready for the baby.
First, they had to take a long trip to Bethlehem.
Mary rode a donkey, Joseph walked.
An old man carrying a horse with somebody on it. And now everybody's having a camel and a donkey.
So they went to Bethlehem to have it, but
when they got to Bethlehem, many people were there.
Mary and Joseph were very tired.
And two people looking at each other, and one is like saying, "What?"
there was no room for them, so they had to sleep in a stable, and they gave birth to Jesus in a manger.
Wise men also followed the star to the stable and baby Jesus.
They gave him presents, gold, myrrh, and frankincense.
We give gifts at Christmas to show our love.
And to say, happy birthday, baby Jesus. And then they had Christmas. The end.
Good job, Jackson.
I have zero idea what that said. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.